In this video, I'm going to talk about rain. Rain is the amount of money you have in real life that you haven't yet categorized into buckets or put into buckets. So for this, I'm going to actually give myself more money. You can't do this in real life or you'll go to prison, but we're going to do it. So now I have $4,400 in the bank, and I have $4,400 in rain because none of my buckets have any money in them. The first time that you're setting up your budget, you need to just put in fill up the buckets that you know you have money for. Let's say that I know that I've been saving. I know I have a life savings, and I know that I have $3,000 in that. So I'm going to put $3,000 in here. I could either press enter to deposit that or click this button. That's the only thing that I've been doing budgeting wise before I came to buckets. So I'm going to do that. I know I have $3,000 saved. So now I have $1,400 left to put into my other buckets. This is where we get, now let's pretend that we're at the beginning of the month getting ready to go into September. And I'm going to fill up my buckets to be prepared for September. I have $1,400 or $1,500 left. I'm going to make it rain. I click on this button. It will fill in what each bucket wants. So this bucket wants 200, this bucket wants 400. It will prepare that. I can adjust it as needed. And then I deposit that, and I've made it rain. So those buckets have received the rain that they need so that I can be prepared for next month. This isn't projecting how much I'm going to make. I actually have $200 set aside for food. And then I still have $800 that I can put other places. I can get ready for the mob boss. I can put 400 for the fun. I can put 200 for there, and I can look up here and say I have 207 left. Okay, I'll put 200 for the trombone. And you do that, you do this make it rain every month. And I have $7 left in rain. I can leave that and use it next month. That's fine. You just don't want it to be negative. All right, that's the basics of filling up your buckets the first time and subsequent times.